Hi, my name is Gene Allen, and a common request is people want to see files sent through Webmail. So I'm going to show you that now. Let's see here. I have Gmail up right here. So we're gonna create a new mail, compose, and I'm going to send it to me. All right, and this is going to be a test. FileSure is already configured by default to watch Office files, so let's attach an Office file. If I can find an Office file. That's PDFs. We already picked those up too. Let's pick up something in documents would work. And we'll scroll down. Constant doc overview. That sounds like a good one. All right, and there's my document getting uploaded. And I send it on its way. All right, so now I've just sent a file via Webmail. All right, so let's come over here and I'll start at FileSure, which I already have up and running. So this is just a demo environment, so we have the real server version here because it's a better demo. In a real world, you'd have FileSure deployed to workstations, and then every 30 minutes it pushes the logs to the central server where you can actually run the reports on it. But I don't want to wait an hour for it to, or 30 minutes for it to come through. So I just did it on the same server. Anyway, you'll see right here that it was open for read and it was read. And if we come over here to the reports, analysis, and alerts screen, we should have, let's make sure that the consolidation pass, you probably already picked it up. And yeah, I think it's already there. So we'll just do a real quick test. We'll do a view data for the local computer for the previous 12 hours. Now let's get more specific. 1 hour, and we say apply. Right now it's going to the data store, to the FileSure service, which is running in the background, auditing everything. It's saying I need some data, which means it has to decompress the data, decrypt it, but then you'll see here's our operations. So Alan GB, that's me, opened for read, and he also read. And the most important thing is you can see, come on, there it is, that I used Chrome to read it. Now, if you see a browser like this reading a file, you can pretty much guarantee that it's Webmail. There's no reason in the world for Chrome or IE or Firefox to be reading a document unless somebody sent it through Webmail. But that's so that's basically how you can use FileSure to see what people are doing with their Webmail and what they're doing with their documents just right out of the box. Now remember, this takes the workstation version. The only reason why I'm showing you on the server is because I don't want to wait 30 minutes for the log to be pushed. But let me show you another product which is kind of interesting. This is FileSure, which also has an agent, and this is the centralized console. And what we'll do here is you'll see that this is Alan GB running on Sandy Bridge. That's this computer right here. If I double click on this, you can actually see right now it's 2:20. There's the FileSure, and there's me using FileSure to Fin for an hour and 49 minutes. And you can see what it was doing. Okay, here's me in Webmail, and there's playing with Camtasia, Explorer, and this actually shows you everything it does. This is me signing in. This is me actually installing it. And if we double click on it, well, actually it didn't record the keystroke. And it didn't record. It just showed what they did. So with a combination, you can see some high-level activity here. For instance, if we were to just say, give me what they're doing in Google Chrome, you can see all my activity. For instance, I was learning how to do a virus thing, how to set up VOR. You can see all the crazy things that I was doing all day long, filtered. So this isn't as powerful because it can't tell you what documents were sent, but it can give you an overview of what people were doing at what time of day and for how long. We can remove that filter again. And it picks up more than just the browsers. Like for instance, you can see here I'm looking for I'm using Outlook, and here I'm idle, FileSure installs. Now I was using VMware stations. So with the combination of these two products, depending on what your goal is, you can actually get a lot of useful information. This is kind of nice because it'll show you what applications are being used the most and everything. This is more of a FileSure kind of thing, depending on what you're looking for. But the combination between FileSure and FileSure is a really good combo. So that's it. Thank you.